What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going over Swift Coin or SWFTC, which is down 3.2% today at 1.3 cents. Very small market cap of only 131 million, 10 billion coins in circulation out of 10 billion, which I like. It means they can't dilute the market by putting any more coins in circulation. Now, the all-time high on this was 4 months ago at 4.6 cents. We're only down 71% from that all-time high, which is pretty good. All-time low was 5 years ago, so this coin's been out a while. If you would have bought it 5 years ago, you'd be up 27x on your investment right now. So if you're interested in this coin, there's three different pages of exchanges that's available on. It looks like Gate.io, Coinbase, BitUnex, OKX, KuCoin MEXC. So if you want it, there's a good chance you can get it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on SWFTC. All right, everybody, we're looking at the day chart here. The day chart, let's look at the indicators real quick before we start drawing on the screen. The indicators, if you look at the MACD did just cross bullish 2 days ago. So we had a very lengthy period of bearishness here on the MACD starting on the 14th of May, and we just crossed over bullish, and we did put an engulfing candle in today. So the bullish momentum is continuing. I know it doesn't reflect in the price very well right now, but the indicators are showing that strength is there. We have the RSI as well. RSI had a nice V-shaped bottom right here, starting to ascend very, very quickly. It has a lot of room it can run, a lot of room. We can go all the way up here, guys, on this RSI. The only concerning thing on the day chart is the stock RSI. Now, the stock RSI, we can go higher here on the blue. We've done it in the past. But once blue crosses below orange, that's when we have to start thinking about a slight retracement here. But we haven't crossed over. We're not really diverging towards each other, but it is a little high. That means we don't have that much time left for the next big move to the upside. The good thing here is the WTX did just print a double bottom, and it also printed a green buy signal right here. We have a lot of room we could be running up here on the WTX. Now, what I'd be looking for in the WTX is breaking out of this prior high that we experienced in April. You put in a higher high there, that's going to be a confirmation. And as you can see, W's in crypto are bullish, and M's in crypto right there are bearish. So this would be completing that W pattern. So that's something to keep a close eye out for. Now, if we get into the fib levels here in the short term from the prior high to the low, we're currently bouncing off the 236, which is a great sign. I believe last time we talked about this video or talked about this coin, we had to keep that 1.5 cents resistance area in mind. And that's currently what's been keeping us down here since April 11th. We tested it once after this nice run up here on April 11th, hit the 382 and then consolidated until we went back down to the 236. The great part is the indicators here looked exactly the same. For example, the indicators right here look exactly the same as they do right now. You had that nice buy signal down here on the WTX, which was this candle, and then you started ascending. You have a similar situation here. You have a buy, the RSI, the MACD, and everything are looking very similar. So possibly the next leg up here for SWFTC is going to be in play. So in the meantime, I don't see any reason why we would be falling back down to 1.1. I would just be keeping an eye on that 1.5 cents area. That should be the area that we need to focus on breaking. And if we do happen to break that, the next step is going to be the 618 right here at about 2 to 2.5 cents. And I believe it has the moon juice or the juice behind it to do it. Just in the meantime, keep an eye on 1.5. If we break over 1.5, then we can start getting super excited. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.